So you can see that bit of red on the stem there?
Yeah.
That's one of the ways of identifying buffel grass. Another way, I can throw that down because it's got no seeds. Another way is by the flower.
Yeah. Yeah, Keith was showing us those. You pulled out some here.
So when I pull that out, I'm giving it a shake and I'm making sure that I'm not shaking the seeds off. So you will see bits of red through there.
Yeah.
This is public enemy number 1.
Yeah.
And you would see that and then you'd think over here, oh, it's the same. Have a look at that. But it's not, because have a look at the flower here. Totally different flower. That's native.